making drum sounds?
No.
What's this?
Show Daddy what's on the book. Are you hitting the rabbits? Be nice to the rabbits.
Be nice to the rabbits. You don't want to hit the rabbits. They're so cute and cuddly. Oh, you don't want to hit the rabbits?
The rabbits.
All right, what is that? What is it? Remember what it is?
The is.
Snail. Is that a snail?
Yeah.
What's this? What's this?
Sugar.
Hamster. See the hamster?
Sugar.
Hamster. Good girl. What's that?
Bumble.
Bumblebee.
Booming bean.
What's this?
Dada.
Yeah, you do.
Frog.
Frog. Good girl.
Frog.
Frog.
You want the blanket off you now? Okay, Mommy's got the blanket. Okay.
Dada.
What is that?
Sister.
Pigeon. Good girl.
But. Right here. But.
Yeah, that's a bird. Good girl.
But.
Good girl. Bird. Remember what kind?
But.
Hoot, 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 hoot.
Hoot.
Hoot. What is a hoot? What the animal hoots?
What kind of bird is that?
No.
Owl. Is that an owl?
No.
Yes, it's an owl. Owl. Owl.
Owl.
Hoot, hoot. Hoo, hoo.
What's this? You looking for the rabbit?
Rabbit.
There it is. What's this?
Dada.
You remember? It's yours.
Sugar.
It's yours. Are you done?
Car.
Yeah, car.
Bear.
Where? Where's the bear?
No bear.
That's a polar bear. Good girl. Where's the skunk? You remember which one's the skunk? Good girl. Pew-wee, skunk.
Dada.
Tiger. You see tiger?
Color.
Tiger.
Wow.
Yeah, good girl. Where's the giraffe?
Wow.
Yeah, it's the tiger. Where's the giraffe?
Wow. Wow.
Rawr.
Wow.
Where's the giraffe?
Duff.
Where is it? You see it? Point at it. Is that it? Is that a giraffe? Yes, good girl. What else do you see? Tiger.
Do you see a moo? Where's Moo?
Where's the moo?
Right there. Good girl.
Cool.
Good girl. Where's the deer?
Right
Good girl.
Good girl.
there. Turtle.
Good girl.
Turtle. Good girl.
Turtle. Dada.
Skunk. Remember skunk?
That's not the skunk. The skunk is P.U.
Yeah.
Good girl. Is there a sheep? Is there a ba?
Where's the sheep, Mom?
I don't know. I thought I saw one. Oh, sorry. It's a rhinoceros. Lauren, where's the puffin?
The sheep.
There's no sheep, Mom.
Sorry, there's no sheep, Lauren. I'm sorry. Is there a puffin?
No.
There's no puffin. I see a puffin over here. Where's the puffin?
Oh, it's puppy.
Good girl. That's a puffin. Where's that meow? Meow.
Meow.
There's no meow. Where's the meow? Meow.
Oh,
Meow.
meow.
It's on there.
I see it.
You see it? Cat? Where's the cat?
Oh. Oh, cat.
Yeah!
Good girl.
Where's the ducks?
Oh, cats.
You're looking right at him. Good girl. What do the ducks say?
No. Meow.
No, ducks say quack, quack,
Quack, quack.
Mouse.
What's that?
Mouse, you're right.